of oil, about a teaspoon. And over here I have a pot of water about to boil, so we can add some edamame spaghetti. Okay, to my heated oil skillet, I'm gonna add about a cup of peppers and onions. And while that's sauteing, I'm gonna add about just like a teaspoon of unrefined coconut oil. Add 2 cloves of garlic that I minced. And now I have 2 bags of the Daring plant-based chicken. Bam! And I'm just gonna mix that up. Looks like we might need a little bit more oil. I don't want a dry skillet. Use your judgment on your oil. So I'm getting ready to put a lid on it, turn the heat all the way down to a simmer, and just let it cook slowly. You're not rushing. I'm gonna preheat my oven to 400 for the vegetables that I'm gonna put in there. And I'm just gonna give this a little stir. This is really done. Oh my goodness. Okay, instead of salt, I'm just going to use the liquid amino acid. I don't think it's going to need much help. And just give it a little taste. This is actually done. We can turn this off. One more taste. One more, just one. A little piece. Oh. Slap myself. Oh my God, that's good. Okay. This is done. Put the lid on. Let the heat stay on. You know what? Let me turn it up to a medium, exactly in a medium, for about 2 minutes. Then I'm gonna turn it off, sit it on the back iron, and we're gonna go for the noodles. And hubby's gonna help me out. Hey, hubby's gonna help me out. Yay! And more water. Water we need to roll. I was talking to the water. Okay, while he's chopping up the stems from the broccoli from yesterday, let's keep rolling. Okay, while he's chopping, we don't have a steady boil, but it's hot. So in goes our noodles. And we can turn the heat down to a medium for 3 to 5 minutes. And loosening up. So that has been simmering on a low boil for 10 minutes, and I'm gonna go to the sink and strain these and rinse them. And hubby is still chopping, and we'll be back. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of butter to my mixture, to my noodles. And here he is chopping up 2 zucchinis. And here he's adding them to the broccoli stems. And now he's chopping 2 yellow squash to add to the pan. and share them with my vegetation. Okay, excuse us for rushing when we're all over the place. Trying to get better timing today. So the butter has melted. Just make sure it's all through. Oh goodness, I need the tongs. You know where the tongs are? Okay, put some garlic on my fingers, and this makes life a little easier. You just toss it, and then season it with whatever you choose, whatever seasoned salt of your choice, whether it be just straight garlic, pepper, onions, smoked paprika, a little parsley. And we're going to take some parsley and just hold the plastic and turn the bottle, and it comes out nice. And don't do like I did and get it all over your stove. Okay. And just a little seasoning salt of choice. Like I said, garlic, pepper, onions, salt, smoked paprika, whatever you want to do, just do it. And do it to your taste. And if you're not sure, like I always say, start off with a teaspoon. You can always add, but it's hard to take it out unless you rinse it. Then you got to start all over. Then you want to give it a little taste and see if it's where you want it. Perfect. Okay, you want to do this or you want me to do it? To mix them with the hands. Okay. So I'm just going to spread some oil. So whatever seasonings you choose will stick a little better. And again, ancestors, let them talk to you. You just gotta listen. Okay. Don't mash them because you're gonna break the tenderonis up. Or if you want a spatula, you can just flip them. Is that good? Okay. He's good. My hero. Alright. And after you finish tossing them, you're going to spread them out as even as you can on the sheet. Oven, you go. You got it all over. This parchment paper don't want to listen. Because the more air they get, the faster they will cook for you. And yep, you're gonna put it in the oven. Nope, the other way. Yeah, don't burn yourself like I do. And I don't know how long. So we're going to say maybe 15 minutes, but we're going to check them periodically. I just switched our veggies to broil. Teamwork. And we finished just in time for Tia to pick up her and Tiffany's dinner. Come in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and do share. Until the next video, peace and love. We're out of here.